How to solve this algebraic problem? Here t plus 1 by 8 is equal to 8. T cube plus 1 by t cube we have to find using formula a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Using this formula, t plus 1 by t whole cube, t cube plus 1 by t cube plus 3, a means t, b means 1 by t, a plus b, t plus 1 by t. Here t plus 1 by t whole cube, t plus they given t plus 1 by t is 8, therefore 8 cube t cube plus 1 by t cube. Here t cancel plus 3, they given t plus 1 by t is 8 into 8. 8 cube means 512. We have to multiply it 3 times. 512 t cube plus 1 by t cube plus 8 3s are 24. 24 you have to shift to the left hand side. It becomes negative. 512 minus 24 is equal to t cube plus 1 by t cube. Therefore, subtract 512 minus 24, we get 488 t cube plus 1 by t cube. Therefore, we get t cube plus 1 by t cube. In place of question mark, we get 488. So that's our answer. Thank you for watching.